the previous segment in this series, we discussed a number of different motor types, as well as some starting components that are used to increase the starting torque or running efficiency. The mechanical energy that's created by the motor must be put to use in order to properly move the air, water, refrigerant, and other fluids that must flow to achieve the desired refrigeration effect. In this segment, we'll discuss 3 common starting relays that are used on single-phase motors, as well as motor bearings and V-belts that help ensure effective and efficient motor operation.